Welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to fill the data and how to fill with the previous values, fill down and fill up. So this is all we will learn in this video. Okay, just move. Okay, so I'm going to type here the header and fill function in Python. Okay, so first of all we always do import pandas as pd, and then we will import data. Okay, so data from excel. So let me show you how the data is looks like. So in the first column we have name. Okay, and then we have some missing data like Amit age is not available and salary is not available for Priya and Neha. This is just a sample data I am taking in Excel, and then I will take this data into the Python. Okay, just closing this one and copy the just going to copy the path, copy as a path, and then in a Python I am going to call out that file. So data equal to, what is my file name, uh, pandas, sorry, pd dot excel, pd dot read underscore excel. Okay, this is the command function to read the excel file. Okay, and then what I will do, I will update the location. Okay, and then it is also I will, if I have a 2 or 3 sheet, then I can update the sheet name is the sheet one. If I don't have a sheet, then you can like remove it, but right now I am just keeping it as it is. Okay, and then enter. So I have the data. Now I want to see how this data is looking like. So print, I can just print the data, how it's look like. You can see here my data is looking like this. Okay, name, Rahul, age and salary, and it is the blank NA. Okay, what I'm going here, you can see here my data is printed here. Okay, I'm just going to reduce this size, and okay, then my data is I have to update the print. Just take some space here. Okay, and then I will fill NA D, df equal to data fill NA. So where it is data, where data is not available, then it will replace that, it will update the 0, and then I will print this, print df. Okay, and so first of all this will print, and then it will print with 0 values. So let's run both. Here you go, I'm going to increase the output so you can see in the below. So first print is the all the data as it is, and then we have a printed a 0. Okay, in place of NA, you can see here Amit has a NA in it, and now we have a 0 values in place of NA. Okay, and next we are going to explain print. I want the fill, sorry, just going here and uh, drop down, drop 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 down, drop down. Okay, I'm just going to remove the above one. I need a drop down from the data. Okay, drop down, how we can do that? So for the drop down, we can df equal to data comma fill function inside of data. Sorry, inside of data dot I need age. Sorry, age column. Okay, and then print df. Okay, it will means replace if we have like on the top, on the upper side 25, and then it will replace the Amit age as well. Okay, and just run it. Okay, ffl, and just go here, df data frame you're going to create here, df equal to df data frame pd dot, sorry, pd dot data frame open data. Okay, I have converted this into the data. Okay, and then df equal to df dot if fill. Okay, fill function, just use the fill function and then print it. Okay, now you can see that. So on the top it is copied the data from the top. I'm just going to increase here. uh, Previously question you can see here, we have Rahul age is 25 and Amit is NA, then it is filled by 25. So you got to know that like how we can fill down. And now I am going to show you how to fill up. Okay, for the fill up, here just fill up instead of down, how to fill up the data. Okay, so for that just you need to do the changes here. Instead of ff, just fill. Okay, and then run. Now you will know that how we can fill up. So we have 40,000 and then in the Neham we don't have anyone else below, then it is NA, and Amit is picking the Priya age the same. Okay, now we got to know that how can fill up, fill down, and also fill NA where it is 0. That's all for this video. Thank you. Now we will learn how to use min function to fill the data. Okay, so let's suppose if we have a, let me print here, I'm just going to print here. So run this data and we have here, so means I need a average of total, the Amit age should be average of total age, and the salary for Priya should be the average of total salary. Okay, so how we can do that? So what we have to write here, mean value age okay, and then mean underscore salary equal to, and then it will be same. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken the mean value that is just a variable, and age data dot mean, the total average of that column, the age column. And then we have taken here data is the table name, data equal to column name age and dot fill na dot underscore value, the value we have taken here, that is stored inside of fill na on the column age. And then the mean salary, the same way we have done here. For the salary we have taken the average of all the salary column. And then print print data. I'm just going to print here. You can see here the output we have here, the average is 30,000, sorry here 19. Okay, and also the age you can see here. Yeah, previously it was the blank, now you can see the average of total 27.7, and n is the average of all these data. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you.